So you're a fan of the Dollar Tree, or maybe you just want to see what all they have to offer. Well, in this video, I'm going to take you shopping with me at the Dollar Tree and show you all of my favorite finds. So let's get shopping. Hey, it's Lindsay with Organized to Save, and on this channel, my goal is to help get you organized on a budget. So, perfect place to go is the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love the Dollar Tree. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you've probably picked up that I have a slight obsession. So, let's go ahead, get shopping. Let me show you what is good to buy at the Dollar Tree. So they always have adorable little sticker labels here. These ones be really cute in your pantry to label off your goodies. So make sure you check out the sticker aisle. Speaking of pantries, these containers, they work awesome in pantries. I actually use them in my own pantry for all of our pastas, rices, quinoa, all those dry goods, and they work like a charm. These clipboards are an awesome buy. I actually use these in our playroom. I will link to that video. I use them up on the walls to store all of my daughter's artwork. So if you're here, pick some up for awesome little art display. Stay tuned to the end to see how I use this poster putty in a kitchen. So some of my other favorite things to get here is in the office aisle. They have these boxes. They are little file boxes. I use these to store all of our tax paperwork, all that kind of stuff that we need to keep on hand, but it doesn't need to be, in a pretty filing cabinet somewhere. So these are a great buy. I love these boxes. And also wrapping paper. If you think about it, grab yourself some of this packaging paper, but I use it for wrapping paper and just dress it up with ribbons, or you could even stamp it or color on it, and these make for a really cute rustic wrapping paper. Into DIYs, you're going to want to stop by the wreath crafting section because these make awesome wreaths. I actually used one in a spring DIY video I will link to, but they are a great bargain for your DIYs. These chalkboard labels would be super cute in a garden to label all of your herbs. So a few other of my favorites are unexpectedly in the baking aisle. I like to use cookie sheets like this in the car as a kid's travel tray, so that way, if they're eating or drawing on, they can just use this right in the car. And then also down here, cake pans or pie pans you can actually use as a DIY lazy Susan. I showed this in other videos, but just wanted to point it out. Another one of my favorites. These paint buckets would be a really cute idea in a kid's craft room or an office. You could hook it over a pole and put all of your pens and pencils in there. I have these poly envelopes. This one is a 3-pack, but these are fairly skinny. So if you're wanting to keep a lot of stuff, that one's not going to be a good option. But I think I'm going to go with these guys because they can expand on the side here. They have amazing storage containers. I love these shoe boxes, but they have so many different varieties. So if you need something clear for your organizing style, or I really like these white containers. They're so versatile, and these locker bins specifically are great in pantries and closets, but they also have a great selection of colorful bins that rotate throughout the year. If you're looking to organize a drawer in your office or kitchen, make sure to check out all the drawer dividers. They have such a great selection. I actually recently used some in a kitchen. So here is the before. I just went ahead and sorted through everything, took every single thing out of the drawer and made sure to clean it all up so that way I could easily lay down these dividers. But these ones are really nice because they're extra long, so you can fit all of your long utensils in there. But here is that poster putty hack I wanted to show you guys. You just put it on the bottom of the bins, place them in the drawer, and they're not going to slide around on you. So here's the before of that drawer, and now the after. Everything has a home, and it's not going to slide around on you. So make sure to check out these drawer dividers and that poster putty as well. Now, if you want to see how I used some of the scores that I got today, make sure to check out the video on your screen right now, as it's going to show you how I use these to store all of my daughter's school paperwork. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.